My mother-in-law does not like blueberries at all. So, yes, she's spoiled. And so being the loving, doting daughter-in-law I am, I had to whip her up a Blackberry pancake. Some Blackberry pancakes. And see, I threw a few extra frozen blackberries in there for her. Give her some extra blackberries because she just loves blackberries. And she'll be picking this up sometime this afternoon when she gets out of church. So thanks for watching, guys. Just wanted to show you. This is what her Blackberry pancakes look like. And her husband has blueberry. He likes blueberry. She likes blackberry. So just want to share with you guys. You know, this is what I have been up to today. So talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching. Auntie appreciates it.